Staycation with this magnificent view of the city for less than 2,000 pesos. Hey Jarelskis! Welcome to Privato Hotel along Shaw Boulevard in Ortigas Center, Pasig. Book this through Klook, use my code. You can only pay as low as 1,700 pesos a room. So here's a quick tour of the room. We got a queen-size bed. Pretty spacious naman yung room. Meron na ring TV tsaka work area if you are working. Pero ang nagdala talaga to make it more sulit na sulit is this magnificent view. So yung room na nakuha namin was situated at the back. So the community of Pasig and BGC yung view namin. They have complimentary coffee and refreshments, may cabinet and safe, tapos may ref din. Sa CR naman, pretty spacious din with shower, plus toiletries if you need. Doon sa roof deck naman nila, nandun yung swimming pool nila that you can use. Syempre with the view pa rin of the skyline. Beside it is yung gym naman nila, pwede mo rin gamitin. One floor down, meron ding chill place na pwede kang puntahan. Tatanggi ka pa ba with this beautiful view while you are chilling with your friends or family? Mag-add ka lang ng 350 pesos per person. You can avail their breakfast buffet the next day. Medyo limited lang yung mga food choices nila.